Just two gals heading to Pride in Munich. Hello you guys, and welcome to a new vlog. I am so excited for today's video. I have literally taken notes on my phone of everything I'm hoping to get to today. As you can tell by the title, I'm heading to Munich here in 2 days from when I'm filming this. So all of today is going to be my trip prep vlog. I feel like I've never had this much time going into a trip, kind of. I feel like I've gotten all of my non-fun tasks out of the way in the past few days so that I just don't feel stressed leading up to this trip. So June goal achieved if you watched my June reset. In case you missed it, Giselle and I are heading to Munich for their Pride week. I'm actually working with an airline, which you will see over on Instagram. Those are the only posts I'm doing for them, but then I believe we are gonna vlog our Munich trip too, assuming, everything goes well. So I'm really looking forward to it because I feel like June is just it's coming on almost, and I feel like we haven't done anything Pride related. And actually, I don't think I've ever been to a Pride week or a Pride parade, or even in LA, I went to Pride one time, but it was in 2017 for an hour. I don't know. So just to run you through the to-do list today of kind of the categories of things. First, I have a lot of errands I need to do as trip prep. We need to get a gift for our neighbors that are going to be watching Mia. We actually have a vet appointment for Mia later on. Right now she's actually getting groomed. It's a big day for her. I need to go out and do some returns for some outfits I ordered that I'm gonna show you when I'm packing later on. If we're gonna see if some of these work out for this trip. But I kind of got them more with my vacation-y Europe trip in mind, beachy vibes that's gonna happen later this summer. I also need to do a quick shopping errand to get to some little travel minis for something because I believe I am gonna be trying to pack in a carry-on. On a packing note, I need to go through my trip itinerary that I just got from the brand, planning my outfits, packing with you guys. I want to show you some of my travel essentials and just fun items I pack whenever I am gonna be traveling somewhere that you guys might like. We also need to get Mia's stuff together for when we drop her off at our neighbor's house. I'm also gonna get to my pre-travel glow-up routine. Some of this might get saved for tomorrow, but I want to feel good going into the trip. I'm gonna self-tan, we're gonna shave, we're gonna get my nails done and whiten my teeth, and who knows what else I can come up with. I just want to feel fresh and good because I am just really looking forward to this trip. I've been craving an adventure for months and months, and I'm just really trying to romanticize every little thing I can about this trip. So, I just remembered one more thing. I do also want to, I don't know if we're gonna have time for a full workout today. I'm feeling a little tight from previous workouts recently, so I want to just do some foam rolling, stretching, mobility stuff, because obviously on a plane to Europe, you're just sitting there forever, and I feel I don't know, I want to loosen up before I go get all stiff on that. Yeah, and then just some other little miscellaneous things mixed in, including we're going to a friend's birthday tonight. I'm gonna show you what I got her, but I just think it's going to be a jam-packed vlog. This is probably going to be a today only vlog, and for once I just feel like I have a lot to show. So thank you guys for being here, for watching, and let's just get to it. First on the agenda, I have done most of my laundry because I was trying to get ahead for packing, but I just need to do another load or so. So we're gonna get to that, and then I don't know what's next. Quick outfit of the day. I thought I would even dress cute for the occasion at home. I got this little sporty dress. There's a built-in sports bra, and then also some built-in shorts. And this is just from Abercrombie. I have some more items from there for later. I feel this will make a really cute travel day in Europe outfit, hopping on the train, taking the ferry, it's hot and just a cozy little fit. So let's get to the to-do list. From the groomer. Last time we did this, so she's only been groomed once before, and then we wing it at home with the little shavers and whatever. Last time Giselle cried because she looked so different that she didn't recognize her dog. So we're gonna see what she looks like. You look like a different dog. Oh my gosh, that's scary. You look so different. Giselle, thoughts?
It'll grow back.
I'm hopping on a call to go over last minute details. my first thing on my glow up checklist here for today is going to be taking care of the hair on my legs. So I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is Flamingo. I've worked with them before. I'm such a big fan. If you're not familiar with Flamingo, I have a few products I really love from them. Just for like my day-to-day use at home, I really like their 5-blade razor. It's great for like getting into the, curves behind your knees and anything like that. It's a very flexible razor head, but also their foaming shave gel. This is really nice. So this is kind of like my at-home combo, but what I am focusing on today that is kind of a life hack I wanted to share as well, that I started doing last year actually for these like really long trips, is actually waxing my own legs at home. So I'm using Flamingo's body wax kit. And why I love this and I think this is so brilliant for trips is because if I'm on vacation, I don't want to have to shave, like I just want my legs to be good for like, the whole week or whatever it is that I'm there. I have been growing out my leg hair a little bit and I'm going to show you guys how I use these wax strips. It's like not as bad as you would think. Like, waxing sounds rough and it's not. So it comes with some really small strips. This can be great for like smaller areas or touch-ups for anything you might have missed. And then you get a bunch of these big wax strips. And if you have never waxed before, like was previously me, I know it can be intimidating, but it's so easy to do. You don't have to heat any wax up or anything. So you just open the strip like so. So this is 2. I'll show you a little before. I've been growing this out for this purpose, but so you just put it on in the direction of the hair growth. Then I like to just like give it a couple firm little rubs, make sure it's on there. Then you just hold on one side and go for it. And then I just check for touch-ups, like if it missed 1 or 2, and then usually you just get it on the second. I'm gonna try to do another section. I feel like these have, they're very adhesive. I feel like the wax can last for a couple of sections. So as you can see, it is definitely getting the hair off. So I've completed this leg now, and then just the last step, they include several of these post-wax cloths. I never really noticed that there's much sticky residue like left behind, but just in case, they come with these cloths because this helps just get everything off, and also I feel like just leaves your skin nice and glowy and feeling moisturized. Just in addition to these being really great products that work well, I just love Flamingo as a brand. It's like a just women empowerment company. Like none of their advertising is ever going to be about like setting beauty standards for women. Flamingo has intentionally come out with different products to work for different people depending on your preferences for what hair you're wanting to remove, all of it, none of it, anything like that. So they've also given me a discount code for you guys. So if you'd like to try any of their stuff out, you can get 20% off with the code below in the caption. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed my little travel hack. I'm gonna get to my other leg. Now for my little lunch break. So Giselle actually on Sunday meal prepped all of our meals for this entire week. So I'll show you the options. Right now I'm eating salmon and some broccoli and cauliflower, sweet potato chickpea thing, and then I've just been adding homemade tzatziki to everything that she made. So she just prepped a ton of stuff in these containers. It's like a little Mediterranean salad. She did a bunch of turmeric rice, a whipped eggplant thing. We had chicken, and then there were just like duplicates of everything. I feel like we've already gone through a good amount, but it's just been so nice. So not only is that like saving us time leading up to a trip, which is why we did it, but I just feel like I want to start doing this on like a regular week. We love our food around here, you guys know, but it's just been nice having the kitchen be so clean all week. So anyways, lunch break, and then I need to seriously get started on my packing and my errands. I think Giselle is going to take Mia to her vet appointment because the time is just flying by today. I was originally thinking this vlog was just going to be like today only, but I think now I might combine it with tomorrow. Time to do some packing. I'm going through the itinerary to try to figure out what we need outfits for. I feel like prides in general are pretty casual, but I think I'm the only one from the US, and then there's 3 from Brazil actually, so I'm excited to meet them. And then we have just like an itinerary broken down day by day. I think we're actually doing most of the stuff on this trip as a group, so it looks like we get there and then that night we have a group dinner. The next morning we have a guided tour of Munich, lunch, pride parade, free time, and then a group dinner. So I think I need so far 2 dinner outfits, 1 daytime. Day 3, we have a drag brunch, a street festival, a guided LGBTQ history tour of Munich, and then a free evening. And then the next morning we leave. So I need 3 dinner outfits and 2 daytime outfits, and the daytime ones definitely need to be more like pride centric, of course, because we're just going to lots of Pride activities. I did order a couple shirts because I'm always like, I just struggle with what to wear to those. I'm like, I don't know, like I need to dig up the things I've ordered. I think a couple of options are actually getting here tomorrow. I'll nail it down then, but I got extra stuff so that I can wear some stuff and then Giselle can wear some stuff. So yeah, I'm excited. There was supposed to be some clubbing on this itinerary and I was like, can we not do that part? So I'm excited. I feel like just like a quick little chat. I feel like sometimes I almost feel like a little out of place at Pride things just because I feel like it is so like party centric and like I'm here for it. Like it's fun. I like the energy. It's lively, but also you guys know a lot of things about that like make me anxious too. So as well as I just feel like, you know, I'm past the point of like wanting to go out clubbing starting at midnight, which was on the itinerary. So I often just feel like Pride weeks, like, you know, they are so party and I don't always feel like it's the most natural thing for me, but like take me to a Pride, you know, tasting menu at a restaurant. That would be sick. Like each course is a different color. Maybe I need to come up with that. But I feel like I just did this year, like this June, some rewiring of my brain to like think of Pride not as like, now it's just a party, like it's a party week. In my personal life, like I never, and Giselle too, like how we grew up, like we never thought that there would be a time where like this would be our life, and you know, like where we could be out and like our families would be accepting of us, and like that we didn't see this future for a long time. So I'm just trying to actually like treat these things as like true celebrations, like yes, for the community, but also just like for myself and like my life, that like I'm able to be like just comfortably myself. And I'm just trying to remember that like it's more than just a party, and it will be so fun, of course, and I'm excited to see how Munich does it. But yeah, I was just reflecting, and I guess I feel like that's kind of why I haven't really been to Pride things in LA. So let me know if any of you guys relate to that. I think I'm just like an old grandma. So I just went to check the weather to make sure my outfits were going to be nice and summery for the climate, and just some rain every day. So while Giselle looks for our umbrella, I thought I'd show you just a couple of like Pride specific little things we got. First is just a big oversized t-shirt. That is the back, and then the front just looks like this. Or we got this shirt in two sizes, like a more oversized one, and then this one was more fitted. Then also we got this one in oversized. And then lastly, just for like some lounge stuff, I don't know, I'll probably pack this, but I've been loving everybody's cute little boxer shorts, that trend right now. So just for some lounging around, I thought these would be cute. Also, something I like to start doing a day in advance is getting all of my devices charged up between, I feel like, just all of my camera batteries, my backup chargers, like AirPods, just like everything I can think of. I need to charge my Kindle, but while I'm doing that, I'm also getting my like in-flight entertainment sequence down. So I just downloaded a new book. I finally finished The Teacher, which I've seen so many people just like raving about. And like by the end of it, I really liked it. I like pretty much anything by, wait, this is who wrote that, right? I think she wrote The Teacher as well. I love like the fast chapters, like it keeps me, like it's an easy read, and by the end I feel like there's always a twist I don't see coming, but The Teacher took me so long to get into, although I did, you know, and then the endings feel rushed. That's the other thing. I feel like they could have made the ending like so much more complex, like go on longer, but like I did, you know, the twist at the end as usual did fool me. So for these flights, I've gone ahead and downloaded the newest book in the Housemaid series. I really liked the first one. I thought the second one was okay, so we'll see what I think about this. And then I'm also downloading, I've told you guys lately, I've been really into the Headspace app, and just like, I've just been really getting into meditations. I have been wanting to see if I'm able to download any of these. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. The option's always there to buy Wi-Fi, you know, but I almost like just being unplugged for however long I'm in the sky. On Spotify, all my recent songs I've liked, I need to get those to download. I usually make sure I have a couple of podcasts saved. I just always, when I'm traveling, like want to make sure I have some stuff offline saved to my phone, or like, you know, my book or whatever, just in case the screens aren't working, or you just never know. I bet if I could just search meditations on Spotify, I bet they have. They have a whole genre. Get sleepy, that's what I need. A sleep journey to the world above. Well, if that was not just made for me, huh? Again, as I am romanticizing this trip, I thought I would show you some travel products I'm bringing. So Giselle actually just got me this. It's the Tower 28 facial spray. I've just seen so much chat about this over on TikTok, and I think it's supposed to kill bacteria or just like hydrate you. I clearly don't know, but Thought that would be fun on the plane, as well as another little, Giselle got me this too, another in-flight goodie. I just love this ginger flight therapy little roll-on essential oil thing. I just think it's very relaxing. I just love a scent, like a really solid fragrance. If you don't have one, I also highly recommend a pill pouch. I need to restock this. Not just for travel, I take this with me like day to day everywhere in my purse, I feel like, just so I'm always prepared. I also thought I needed to run to the store to pick up our like travel lifeline, which is just Bonine or Meclizine. If you guys get any kind of motion sickness, which I never used to, Giselle always did, but now I kind of get it as well ever since our ferry catastrophe, the Great Ferry of 2022. We just always like having this on hand for some peace of mind, so I guess I actually don't need to go to the store. And then lastly, on the subject of like charging devices and everything, Giselle just surprised me with this today. It's like a backup charger. It just magnetizes on there and starts charging. You can twist it and it'll stay sideways too, because it actually connects and turns into like a little stand. So you can just have your phone up. You can be watching shows on the plane. Hello. I have to say hello.
Stranger.
I'm not over it. Literally. Who is this? Who is this? So we're going to a friend's birthday here in a little bit. So I just want to show you what we got them, because this was originally supposed to be like a housewarming gift because two of our friends that are dating moved in together. And the plan's just been like rescheduled 400 times, I feel like. So we're finally taking the gift, but now it's also kind of a birthday gift. So these are the same. I need to peel the price what's it called, price sticker off of that one, but they're just these little subtle rainbow glasses that we thought were cute. What was my plan for this? I was like, why did we get them this? I just took this out of the bag from like literal months ago because they moved in together. So I was gonna like put a little sticky note or something on this that said like, moving in together is ... or kind of a big deal. I don't know. They're just like cards. They'll enjoy this. We also got this little card. It says, "This calls for a toast." I feel like I don't know how to describe like their style or who they are as people. Maybe this helps. We also got them this bottle of wine yesterday. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but are you getting a vibe of them based off of like just this stuff? I don't know. They're not quirky. How do you describe them?
I don't know.
So anyways, I'm going to pack up this stuff. I think I'm gonna finish my packing tomorrow just because I have the daytime fits down for the most part, but I just wanna see like what comes in the mail tomorrow and if I like any of that, as well as just some things are still in the laundry and whatnot. We're reaching the end of what I can do for today because we have to head out soon to go to our friend's birthday. I have not had coffee today. I don't know why. I just have felt it hasn't appealed to me lately, or like it's been like hurting my stomach kind of. I think that's what it is causing it. I just think it's worth the experiment. So like the past couple of days and for the foreseeable future, not like, oh, every day, you know, you're never gonna see me with coffee, but that I'm just trying out how I feel without it. So I'm shocked that I haven't like crashed today. I actually feel like I have a good amount of energy. We will see. But the last thing I want to do before heading out is in perfect timing, my credit card has arrived because there was some fraud on my credit card that was not me. It was like $1 charge, which obviously is how they start, but I was worried I was not gonna have a credit card, or my good one that like I get points from. So this got here just in time. I'm gonna activate this and then we're heading to our friend's house for the night. Anyways,